I think it's on pictures.
There we go.
You got it?
Wait!
We're getting to the other side?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, they're coming at us. Wait. No. We want to watch them coming or going?
Yeah, hold on. We'll go back one more time. All right, Ryan. You're the Roman Legion riding into victory. Let us get on the other side of the puddle.
You're the Roman Legion. Go.
That's your motivation.
And print.
Who said they didn't want a wave runner?
Oh God, don't! You're destroying it. Oh. Other than the fact that you did donuts in the course, that was awesome. Oh, shit.
You're like half of a donut.
Ah.
Hey, somebody left an umbrella.
Oh God. Oh God. That's insane. I don't think I could be wetter if I took a shower.
No.
Did you realize it was actually coming over the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look how responsible we are inside of the clubhouse.
I know. That's crazy. At least it warmed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that or hypothermia setting in. I'm not sure which. Give me either. By the way, bouncing it off that barn for 9 is great. Oh, nice.
Oh my God, I don't have enough speed. Where's the switch at?
Right there. There you go.
Can you hold that?
Oh my God. Yes, sir.
There was about 2 others that did that same thing.
Oh yeah. But the best part was, now for you guys, did it come over the top?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fudge.
Uh-oh. We have a tactical plan here, problem here.
I'm done.
Oh, John's done.
Okay.
Parked.